Hello everybody, welcome to Admit Physics by Your video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from Unit 7, that is properties of solids and liquids. The question is, the maximum elongation of a steel wire of 1 meter length, if the elastic limit of steel and its Young's modulus respectively are 8 into 10 power plus 8 Newton meter square and 2 into 10 power plus 11 Newton meter square is how much? This question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2024. A year before yesterday. Okay. So these are the four options: 4 mm, 0.4 millimeter, 40 millimeter, 8 millimeter, 4 millimeter. Okay, that's all. How to solve this problem, sir? It's a the entire question has been given in a single sentence. Okay. Elastic limit. What is elastic limit? Elastic limit is the maximum stress that can be applied to a material to maintain the elastic property. You would have studied Hooke's law. The Hooke's law starts with the sentence, within the limits of elasticity, stress is proportional to strain. Is it not? Okay. So in that case, elastic limit is nothing but the maximum stress that can be applied to a material to maintain the elastic properties. So what are the factors given in the question? Young's modulus Y is equal to 2 into 10 power plus 11 Newton meter square. What is maximum stress? That is elastic limit. 8 into 10 power plus 8 as 8 into 10 power plus 8 Newton meter square. L is the length of the wire, that is 1 meter. You know the formula for Young's modulus. Y is equal to stress by strain. What is Y? Young's modulus. Okay, that's all. Y is equal to stress by strain. When you are using the value of maximum stress, you will get maximum strain. Is it not? Okay, that's all. So strain is equal to, what is the formula for strain? Increase in length by original length. What does it mean by increasing length? That is nothing but the elongation. So elongation divided by original length L, that is equal to stress divided by Y is equal to stress by strain. So strain is equal to stress by Y. Is it not? Young's modulus. Okay. So that is elongation is equal to, you bring L to the other side. Elongation is equal to L into stress divided by Y. Substituting the value. What is L? Length of the rod, 1 meter. What is stress? The maximum stress, 8 into 10 power plus 8. What is Y? 2 into 10 power plus 11. 8 by 2 will give you 4. When this 10 power plus 11 goes up, it will become, goes to the numerator, it will become 10 power minus 11. Already you got 10 power plus 8. Plus 8 minus 11, it is equal to minus 3. So 4 into 10 power minus 3 meter, 4 mm. When this stress is maximum, the elongation will also be maximum. Is it not? It is quite natural. So the maximum elongation of the steel wire is equal to 4 millimeter, 4 mm. Option 1 is the right answer. Okay. It's a very simple question. Okay, that's all. So anyway, so far we have discussed 16 multiple choice questions from Unit 7, that is properties of matter, or rather to say properties of solids and liquids, in our channel. In our next video, we will discuss a multiple choice question from the next chapter, probably thermodynamics. That is Unit 9. Okay, sorry, Unit 8. Okay, that's all. So thank you one and all. Thank you.